I've spent the last 7 days testing 3 different AI tools that promise to make you money, save you time, and automate your entire online business, all without you needing any experience or even showing your face. Some of them blew me away. Some of them completely wasted my time. And in this video, I'm giving you the no-fluff, honest review of what worked, what didn't, and which tool is actually worth your money if you're serious about making income online in 2025. I didn't take any sponsorships. I paid for each tool myself, and everything I show you here is based on real use. No hype, no fake screenshots, no gurus. Just straight-up facts. Let me start with a reality check. AI is everywhere in 2025. Every day you see new tools being launched that claim to automate content creation, generate leads, or build funnels for you in minutes. But the truth is, most of these tools are either clones, gimmicks, or just straight-up useless unless you know what you're doing. So I decided to test 3 tools from different categories. One for content, one for monetization, and one for automation. I used them in real projects and tracked how long they took to learn, how easy they were to use, and most importantly, whether they helped me actually make money. Let's start with the first one. The first tool I tested was VideoGen. It's an AI video generator specifically made for YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and Instagram Reels. You simply input a short script, and it automatically adds stock clips, animations, text overlays, and even voiceover, all synced to music. I tried it by uploading a 20-line script about 3 AI tools to make money in 2025, and within 5 minutes, I had a full vertical video ready to post. I was honestly surprised by how good the pacing was. The visuals matched the script well, and the voice sounded decent enough for social media. What I loved most was that I didn't need to manually edit anything. You can even preview multiple video styles before exporting, which is a game changer if you want to bulk produce content. So what's the downside? Well, the free plan has a lot of limitations. Watermark, short video length, and export limits. Also, while it's great for list-style content, it struggles with storytelling or emotional tone. But for affiliate marketers or niche content creators who need fast, short-form videos, it's a win. I uploaded 3 shorts created with VideoGen and saw over 1,200 views within 48 hours. Not viral, but solid for a new channel. It's definitely a tool I'll continue to use. Verdict? 8.5 out of 10. Great for automation, saves hours, and very beginner-friendly. Next, I tested Systeme.io, the all-in-one business platform that claims to replace tools like ClickFunnels, ConvertKit, Teachable, and MailChimp. I've seen this tool recommended everywhere, and I wanted to see if it actually lives up to the hype. So I challenged myself to build a mini funnel from scratch in 60 minutes, a landing page, an email capture, a free ebook delivery, and an automated email sequence promoting an affiliate offer. And to my surprise, I actually finished it in under 50 minutes. The drag-and-drop builder is clean, the email automation is simple, and the integration with Stripe and PayPal worked without any weird API headaches. The best part? It's free to start. No trial, no credit card. Just create and go. I connected it to a domain, added a lead magnet made with ChatGPT, and started running organic traffic from my YouTube description links. Within 3 days, I had 42 email signups and 3 affiliate sales for a total of 117. That's when I knew this tool wasn't just fluff. It's a real business engine if you use it properly. Downsides? The design templates are a bit limited compared to fancier tools like Webflow or ClickFunnels. Also, if you need heavy integrations, you might feel restricted. But for 99% of people starting out, it's perfect. Easy to learn, 0 cost up front, and it actually converts. Verdict? 9 out of 10. If you're serious about building a digital product business or affiliate funnel, this tool gives you everything you need. And now the third tool I tested, Simplified.com. This one is like an AI-powered Canva on steroids. It does copywriting, graphic design, video editing, and even social media scheduling, all in one dashboard. I was both excited and skeptical because usually tools that try to do everything end up doing nothing well, but Simplified actually surprised me. I used it to create carousel posts for Instagram, write product descriptions for my digital downloads, and design a YouTube thumbnail using AI art and text overlay. The interface felt modern and intuitive. You can collaborate with a team, generate blog outlines, and even remove backgrounds from images with one click. I especially liked the AI copy templates. They felt more conversational and unique than the generic outputs from older tools. However, there are a few caveats. It occasionally glitches when switching between design and copy modules. Also, some of the AI image generations weren't usable for branding level work. But as a Swiss Army knife for solo creators and small businesses, it's a beast. If you want one tool to do everything from posts to captions to thumbnails, it's worth exploring. Verdict? 7.5 out of 10. Jack of all trades, great for productivity, but may not replace dedicated tools if you have higher level demands. So after a full week of using all three tools, Videogen.io, Systeme.io, and Simplified, here's what I found. If your goal is to automate video creation, grow a YouTube Shorts channel, and drive affiliate clicks fast, Videogen is the best time saver. If you want to build a full online business with funnels, emails, and digital products, Systeme.io is the best value tool in the market right now. And if you want to create tons of content assets across platforms without hiring a team, Simplified is the multi-tool that keeps everything in one place. But here's the honest truth. None of these tools will make you money unless you actually use them. Too many people get stuck in tool hopping, testing 50 AI platforms but never building anything consistent. The people who succeed in this game aren't the ones with the fanciest dashboards. They're the ones who publish content every week, test funnels regularly, and refine what works. Tools are just accelerators. The system is what brings results. And here's how I would combine all three tools if I were starting from scratch today. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate a script about a trending topic in your niche. Step 2. Use Videogen to turn that script into a 60-second video. Step 3. Post that video to YouTube Shorts with a description that links to your Systeme.io landing page. Step 4. Use Simplified to design the thumbnail, write the email sequence, and prepare repurposed content for social media. Step 5. Repeat 3-5 times a week. This system builds your traffic, list, and income with under 5 hours a week of actual work. It's fast, faceless, and scalable. It's not get rich quick, but it's definitely get compounding over time. And now it's your turn. If you want my full AI monetization stack, including video scripts, funnel templates, and the tools I actually use to automate everything, just comment below with the word "stack me up" and I'll send it to you. No fluff, no upsells. Just real working systems that I use myself. Also, like this video if you got value, and hit that subscribe button for weekly tutorials, reviews, and behind-the-scenes looks at building faceless income with AI tools. You can also find all the links to these tools in the description. And yes, some of them are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission if you decide to upgrade. But remember, I only recommend what I personally use, and nothing in this video was paid or sponsored. Thanks for watching Tool Cashflow. Stay smart, stay automated, and I'll see you in the next one.